Hey guys, welcome back to IT Contents channel. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to sort out this error message whenever you're trying to install Ubuntu 24.04 on VirtualBox. So the first thing that we want to do is you want to navigate to your VirtualBox. So open up your VirtualBox, then you want to locate the virtual machine. So this is a virtual machine. Make sure you click on it, then you go on settings. Here under settings, you want to click here where it says display. Under display, we want to change the graphics controller here. From that to, you can try the first one. If your first one doesn't work, you can use the second one. So you can set it to the first one here, and then you can just click OK. And also you can increase the graphics memory here. That will also help. Then you just want to click OK. So once you do that, you can now go ahead and start the virtual machine. And that should start up very easily without the error whenever you're trying to install it. And as you can see now, our Ubuntu installation is installed without that error whenever we are starting with the installation.